Hi guys, so we're at Helpston level crossing in Cambs here with Joe, Jamie and Golden Minecart. Watch what the barrier does. Oh! Ah! That's two barriers that do that now.
Oh,
there we go. Now,
there we go. Now
the time is 12:20 on Saturday the 10th of October 2000. This is for our 12:21 1 Sierra 15 Virgin Trains East Coast Service when it across to Edinburgh.
Look at that bird sitting on top of the wire.
Yeah.
GM. GM. Golden.
It's reading.
Golden. Look at that bird sat up there.
No.
It's a bird.
Adam. Golden. Golden.
It's a bird.
We won't be stopping for the 12:27. No. It's only 12:20.
And then we've got enough time to get to home.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant homes on your house.
No. Home. I should say it's
Holm.
Home. Let's call it home.
As Adam Richardson called it. Hi guys, so we're at home music level crossing. Have you seen that one? Did you see it when he called him that?
Look, that bird's actually.
Hey?
It's actually.
What a smiley face.
Like see the difference between the things. You know, Barry's
Or a
right,
100 ticker, or a tick thumbs up.
A large phallus.
Just look at that.
No, I'm joking.
One video.
Oh, thanks for that.
Here we go.
This is we've got
390. 91, 121. 91, 121 to 82, 222 to Edinburgh. And up they go. I told you we're not waiting staying for that 12:27, didn't I?
I said we could be staying. Home load level crossing, here we come.
Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.